Kapag pagod ka na, kapag parang wala nang nakakaintindi, remember this: mahal ka ni Jesus. Sa gitna ng dilim at luha, kapag ang mundo'y tila nawawala, may isang kamay na nakaalalay, di ka niya iiwan habang buhay. When your heart is full of pain and you can't stand the hurt again, just call His name, He hears your cry, He'll stay with you through every night. Di ka nag-iisa, may Diyos na nagmamahal sa'yo. Sa bawat sugat ng puso, may pag-asa kang matatakbuhan. Mahal ka ni Jesus, huwag mong kalimutan, ikaw ay mahalaga sa Kanyang harapan. No matter how broken you're inside, Jesus will never leave your side. Mahal ka ni Jesus, magpakailanman, pag-ibig niya'y walang hanggan. Lift your eyes and you will see His love will set your spirit free. Kapag pakiramdam mo'y kulang ka at wala nang naniniwala, tumingala ka lang sa langit, may Jesus na handang umibig. Even when the road is rough and life is getting way too tough, His grace is strong, His mercy true, and every day He watches you. Hindi hadlang ang iyong kahapon, sa pag-ibig niyang di nagtatapon. Kahit gaano ka pa naligaw, sa Kanya'y may tahanan kang tunay. You are chosen, you are loved, sent from heaven up above. Never think you're far away, Jesus loves you every day. Mahal ka ni Jesus, huwag kang matakot, sa bawat laban siya'y iyong sandigang lubos. Through the storm and through the fire, He will lift your spirit higher. Mahal ka ni Jesus, tandaan mo, ikaw ay biyaya sa mundong ito. And forever let this truth remain: Jesus loves